بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده أما بعد. Honorable judges, respected teachers and my dear friends, today in this annual function I want to deliver my speech on the topic the footsteps or the tricks of the shaitan. First of all, let us begin by talking about what is the shaitan. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Quran in very clear words in Surah Fatir verse number 6. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الشيطان لكم عدو فاتخذوه عدوا إنما يدعو حزبه ليكونوا من أصحاب السعير. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala begins by telling us the shaitan is an enemy for you. He is an enemy for you, and the shaitan always calls to you their group to their cult, so that you can be among the people of the fire. These are words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah tells us in the Quran, they can see us, but we can't see them. But also says in the Quran, Inna kayda shaitani kana da'ifa. The power of the shaitan is very weak. Let's now talk about what is the tricks of shaitan and his deception. The first thing you need to know about the shaitan does not approach you in the way you expect. They are smart about it. They are tricksters. But if they know there is something that you will be too strong for, they want to bring that strong thing to it. They bring you a little bit of it, followed by another one. It's called the footsteps of the shaitan. And this is in the Quran in Surah Al-Nur verse number 21. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu la tattabi'u khutuwat ash-shaytan wa man yattabi' khutuwat ash-shaytan fa innahu ya'muru bil fahsha'i wal munkar. O you who believe, do not follow the footsteps of the shaitan, and whoever of you follows the footsteps plural of the shaitan, then he is going to command with only two things. The first thing, fahsha, which means dirty, shameless deeds. The second, wal munkar, and immoral, sinful acts. That's all the shayateen wants to do, wants to lead you astray, and comes to you step by step, gets you desensitized. My dear friends, Ibn Qayyim in his book Ad-Da'wa wad-Dawa and other books, he mentions a summary of 8 different tricks that the shaitan attacks with us. These are 8 things that he goes after. But I explained only 3 things, 3 goals. Goal number 1, the first thing the shaitan tries to attack with you to get you to do is the ultimate one. It's called shirk, to make partners with Allah. The second one he does if he can't win over with shirk, with polytheism. He will try to win over by convincing you to do major sins. Major sins such as alcohol, zina, murder and stealing, etc. The third point is, if the shaitan cannot get you in major sins, he gets you in minor sins and comes up to you and says, hey man, you are not doing any major sins. The Quran says, if you pray, all the minor sins go away. Allah Ghafurur Rahim. Just keep doing that. Just keep saying it's true. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does forgive you, but the shaitan knows that is not working. Shaitan knows that is not working, so that you see the shaitan is trying to desensitize you to minor sins, so that you no longer feel any guilt whatsoever. And then when that gets ready to get you to do major sins, so it's the footsteps of the shaitan. And the last thing, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, protect us from the shaitan, of the jinns and the ins, from the shaitan to ourselves, even we can be शैतान। आमीन सुम्मा आमीन। व आखिरु दअवाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।